So today we're going to do our 8.5 notes, but before we get onto that, I want to show you where on the calculator we will be dealing with. So today we're still going to be doing sine, cosine, and tangent, but we're going to have to do the opposite. So the opposite of sine is this sine to the -1. So when you're working out the problems on your calculator, you'll hit second, and then the sine button, and that sine to the -1 will pop up. That'll make more sense as we're going through. So get out your 8.5 packet. All right, in your 8.5 packet, I'm going to start by writing SOHCAHTOA, sine, opposite hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent hypotenuse, tangent, opposite acute at the top, just to help us remember. Now, we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. This is the angle I'm dealing with. The 15 is across from it, so that's the opposite. And the 24 is across from the right angle, so that's my hypotenuse. So if I have an O and an H, I know I'm going to be dealing with sine. So the sine, this time though I don't have an angle measure, it just says x. So I'm going to write the sine of x equals opposite, which happens to be 15, over h, which is 24. Now, I need to get the x by himself. To get the x by himself, I'm going to have to get rid of that sine. So to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by the opposite, which is that button I just showed you. The opposite of sine is sine to the -1 power. So I'm going to say x equals sine -1, 15 divided by 24. You type that into your calculator, and you will get a lovely decimal of 38.7. All right, let's set this number 2 up. Here's the angle I'm dealing with. So this I can tell is my hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. That one is my adjacent one because it is touching the x part. So if I have an A and an H, I know I'm going to be dealing with cosine. So the cosine of x, because I don't know what x is, equals A over H, 11. Okay, now same thing again. I need to get rid of that cosine, so I have to multiply it by its opposite on both sides. So when I do that, I get x equals the cosine of -1, 8 divided by 11. When you type that, just like that in your calculator, you get 43.3. So that tells me that that angle is 43.3 degrees. Let's look at number 3. Here's the angle. That 20 is opposite, so that's an O. The 37 is adjacent, because I know that this one right here is hypotenuse. So I have an O and an A. When I have an O and an A, I'm dealing with TOA. So I've got my tangent of x equals opposite, 20 over adjacent, 37. Same thing. In order to get rid of that tangent, I got to multiply both sides by the tangent -1. So x is going to equal tangent -1, 20 divided by 37. If you type that in your calculator, you're going to get 28.4. So I want you to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own, but I will first help you to label this. So if we're talking about this angle right here, Well, I can see that the 23 is my H, and the 18 touches it, so that's adjacent. When I look at this one right here, I'm looking at that angle. We got another H, because that's the hypotenuse, and then we got an opposite. If I'm looking at this angle here, I have an opposite in that 7 and an adjacent in that 5. So set up your equations and then solve them. Thank you.